हाय एव्हरीबडी, वेलकम बॅक. डेफिनेट इंटिग्रेशन स्टार्ट केलं आपण. आता डेफिनेट इंटिग्रेशनमधला हा थर्ड व्हिडिओ आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण सेकंडमध्ये 4 एक्झाम्पल्स बघितले होते आणि मला वाटतं आता 5वं एक्झाम्पल आपण घेऊयात, स्टार्ट करूया. कदाचित तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह पण केलं असेल ना मागचे व्हिडिओ बघून. तर नेक्स्ट आपण बघूया इंटिग्रेशन फ्रॉम 3 to 5. I is equal to integration from 3 to 5 1 upon square root of 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 minus square root of 2x minus 3 dx. Now I is equal to integration over 3 to 5. आता याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला लास्ट सांगितल्याप्रमाणे की वरती प्लस मायनसच्या फॉर्ममध्ये आला पाहिजे आणि खाली सिंगल पाहिजे ना. तर इथं आपल्याला याचा कॉन्जुगेट घ्यावा लागेल, म्हणजे असा 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 whole divided by square root of 2x plus 3 minus square root of 2x minus 3 दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 bracket complete dx. Now this will be integration from 3 to 5 square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 whole divided by square होना square root of 2x plus 3 whole bracket square minus square root of 2x minus 3 whole bracket square dx. I is equal to integration over 3 to 5 square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 whole divided by how will 2x plus 3 minus 2x minus 3 dx. I is equal to integration over 3 to 5 square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 whole divided by 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 plus 2x minus 2x cancel dx. I is equal to integration over 3 to 5 square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 dx. I is equal to 1 upon 6 integration from 3 to 5 square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 dx. Now I is equal to 1 by 6. आता this is nothing but, what about this? Square root is nothing but raised to half. Raised to half. Plus 2x minus 3 raised to half dx. I is equal to 1 by 6 in bracket. याचा काय होईल? 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 half plus 1 3 by 2 n plus 1 directly you can write down into what about this derivative of 2x plus 3 is nothing but 2 plus 2x minus 3 whole raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 into again 2 3 to 5. I is equal to 1 upon 6 in bracket 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 plus 2x minus 3 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 3 to 5. Now substitute first 5 here. I is equal to 1 by 6 as it is in bracket 5 2s are 10 10 plus 3 13 13 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 plus 5 2s are 10 10 minus 3 7 7 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 9 9 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 minus, why? Because minus second term will be there, पण दोघे प्लस असल्यामुळे मायनस मायनस, प्लस इंटू मायनस मायनस येणार. 3 to the 6 minus 3, 3 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3, bracket complete. Now I is equal to 1 by 6 in bracket 3, 13 by 3, the 13 is the square root of 13 raised to 3, square root of 13 raised to 3 upon 3 plus square root of 7 raised to 3 by 3 minus square root of 9 raised to 3 upon 3 minus square root of 3 raised to 3 upon 3. I is equal to common kada 3, 1 upon 18, 1 by 18 divided 13 root 3, 2 times 3 times root 13, root 13 root 13, root 13 into root 13, that is 13, 13 root 3, 13 plus 7 root 7 minus root 9 is equal to 3, 3 is a cube, 27 by 3, 9 ala, minus 3 root 3 by 3 root 3 is 13 root 3 plus 7 root 7 minus 3 root 3 by 3, root 3 is a square, 3 root 3 by 3. root 13 plus 7 root 7 minus 9. ना सॉरी 3 गेलेला इकडे आलेला आहे, दॅट्स वाय दिस विल बी 27 आणि हा 3 रूट 3. इज दॅट क्लिअर? हा सगळ्यांचा 3 इकडे आला ना, 18 झाला आहे, म्हणजे हा फक्त 3 रूट 13 रूट 13, 7 रूट 7 आणि हा 3 into 3 into 3 that is 27 आणि हा आहे 3 रूट 3. करेक्ट. दिस इज योर फायनल आन्सर. इज दॅट क्लिअर? सिंपल आहेत एक्झाम्पल्स. नेक्स्ट बघूयात आपण 6-1. हे समजलं सगळ्यांना? कॉन्जुगेट पेअर घेऊन मल्टिप्लाय करायचा आणि तो एक्स रेस टू एन च्या फॉर्म मध्ये आणायचा. एक्स रेस टू एन चा एक्स रेस टू एन प्लस 1 अपॉन एन प्लस 1 होईल. त्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. Now 6-1 integration from 0 to 1 x square minus 2 upon x square plus 1 dx. Now I is equal to, see, we can adjust here, x square plus 1 minus 3, this will be x square minus 2 again as it is, है ना. मग x square plus 1 झाला, हा dx झाला. Therefore I is equal to integration from 0 to 1 x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 minus 3 upon x square plus 1 dx. I is equal to integration from 0 to 1 minus 3 upon, we can write down here x square plus 1 as 1 plus x square dx. Now I is equal to integration from 0 to 1 dx minus integration of 0 to 1 3 upon 1 plus x square dx. I is equal to x, integration of 1 is equal to x, 0 to 1 minus 3 into integration 0 to 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Now I is equal to x or 0 to 1 minus 3. Now this is nothing but tan inverse of x. Why? Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x, means derivative of tan inverse of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is nothing but tan inverse of x, 0 to 1. Now I is equal to 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 minus 3 tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. I is equal to 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1 minus 3 into tan inverse of 1, that is equal to pi by 4 minus tan 0, 0. I is equal to 1 minus 3 pi by 4, or I is equal to, we can say 4 minus 3 pi by 4, whatever या पद्धतीचा आन्सर असेल 1 minus 3 pi by 4. क्लिअर. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं हे आहे की तुम्हाला हे कसं कन्वर्ट करायचं, कसं ॲडजस्टमेंट्स करायच्या हे लक्षात आलं पाहिजे. आपल्याला हे सिंगल फॉर्ममध्ये किंवा स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये आणायचं आहे तरच हे जमतं. ठीक आहे. 6 क्वेश्चन झाला. Seventh one, integration from 0 to pi by 4. Sin 4x into sin 3x. dx. Sin A, sin B. 2 times of sin A, sin B is nothing but, माहिती आहे ना, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B minus मध्ये. बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे आता बघूया आपण 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय आणि डिवाइड करा. I is equal to 1/2 integration 0 to pi by 4, 2 times of sin 4x into sin of 3x dx. We know that 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Therefore, I is equal to half integration from 0 to pi by 4 cos of 4x minus 3x minus cos of 4x plus 3x dx. Is that clear? I is equal to half into integration 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus cos of 7x dx. I is equal to half into integration of 0 to pi by 4 cos x dx minus integration of 0 to pi by 4 cos of 7x dx, bracket complete. Therefore, I is equal to half bracket cos x is nothing but the integration of this sin x 0 to pi by 4 minus integration of 0 to pi by 4 cos 7x का sin 7 of x upon 7 0 to pi by 4 again. Now use these values here. I is equal to half into in bracket sin pi by 4 minus sin 0 minus sin 7 pi by 4 by 7 sin 7 pi by 4 by 7 minus sin 0. I is equal to half in bracket sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 minus 0 minus 7 pi by 4. See, pi by 4, pi minus pi by 4, pi plus pi by 4, 2 pi minus pi by 4, 8 minus 5, 7, 7 pi by 4, fourth quadrant, sin चा निगेटिव्ह येतो 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 upon 7 minus 0. I is equal to half 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 7 root 2 bracket complete. Allied angles मध्ये जातो आपण, फोर्थ क्वाड्रंटला वेगळा येतो. I is equal to, see, 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 7 into again 2, that is I is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 14. Therefore, I is equal to 7 by 14 plus 1 by 14, which is equal to I is equal to 8 by 14. 8 by 14. One by 2 root 2. Sorry, 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 7 means 14 root 2. 7 by 2 root 2. 7 by 14 root 2 upon 1 by 14 root 2. 2 by 7 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 by 7 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 by 7 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 by 7 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 by 7 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 by 7 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 by 7 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 by 7 means 14 root 2. 14 by 2 root 2 means 14 root 2. 14 That means 7 plus 1 by 14 root 2, that is 8 by 14 root 2, that is I is equal to 2 4s are 2 7s are root 2. 4 by 7 root 2 is your final answer. Okay. Now next one, 8th question, 1 plus sine 2x. For that you have to know the factorization defactorization formulae from this. Next one is 7th, that is 8th one, integration from 0 to pi by 4 1 plus sine 2x. Square root of 1 plus sine 2x dx. But we can write down that 1 as in the form of sin square x plus cos square x. Is that clear? Sin square x plus cos square x is nothing but 1. And what about this sin 2x? 2 sin x into cos x dx. Now I is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4. This is nothing but sin x whole bracket square plus 2 times of sin x into cos x plus cos x whole bracket square. This is in the form of a square plus twice ab plus b square. That means a plus b bracket square means sin x plus cos x whole bracket square. Bracket square and bracket square root will cancel and remains only there here sin x plus cos x dx. Now by taking integration of these both, we have minus cos of x plus sin x bracket complete or 0 to pi by 4. Now using this pi by 4 and 0, we have minus cos pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4, minus minus getting plus cos 0 plus cos 0 minus sin 0, which is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 minus 0. This is nothing but 1. Your final answer will be 1 here. कायमस्वरूपी लक्षात ठेवा, square root of 1 plus sin 2x integration of 0 to pi by 4 is answer 1. Next is 9(1) sin raised to 4x. सिंपल आहे. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शनचे फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला माहित झाले, you can find out direct answers here. Integration from 0 to pi by 4 sin raised to 4x. I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 sin square x raised to square dx. I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4 sin square is nothing but 1 minus cos of 2x by 2 bracket square dx. 1 minus cos 2x by 2 bracket square है ना. I is equal to separately we got 1 by 4, taking out we can have 1 minus cos 2x whole bracket square dx. I is equal to 1 by 4 to pi by 4, 1 minus 2 times of cos 2x plus cos square 2x dx. I is equal to 1 by 4 cos square 2x again. We can convert this cos square 2x again, 1 minus cos 1 by 4 into integration of 0 to pi by 4, 1 minus 2 times of cos 2x plus integration of 0 to pi pi by 4, 1 minus cos of 4x by 2, 1 minus cos 4x by 2 प्लस येणार कारण साइन स्क्वेअर असेल तर कॉस मायनस येतो आणि कॉस स्क्वेअर असेल तर प्लस येतो dx. ठीक आहे. आता I इज इक्वल टू 1/4 इथल्या इथं आता 1 चा x मायनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ साइन 2x अपॉन 2 2 कॅन्सल होणार और 0 to pi by 4 प्लस इथं बघायचं आहे हाफ बाहेर येणार. आता इथं काय होणार 1 चा परत x प्लस साइन 4x अपॉन कोण होणार आहे 4 0 टू कोण आहे पाय बाय 4. क्लियर. ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट. I is equal to 1/4 as it is outside of the bracket. Then x minus means pi by 4 minus sin exactly pi by 4 x साठी pi by 4 घ्यायचा minus sin 2 into pi by 4 minus sin 2 into pi by 4 minus 0 plus sin 0 bracket complete plus half in bracket pi by 4 plus sin 4 into pi by 4 upon 4 minus 0 plus sin 0 bracket complete. I is equal to 1/4 in bracket pi by 4 minus 2 2s are sin pi by 2 that is equal to 1 plus sin 0 minus 0 0 plus as it is half in bracket pi by 4 4 cancel 0 minus 0 plus 0 pi by 4. I is equal to pi by 16 minus 1/4 plus 4 to the 8 8 for the 32 pi by 32 pi by 6 minus 1/4 plus pi by 32. आंसर कसा आहे ना हाफ एक्स लिहिला नाही आपण oh sorry 16 4 4 the 16 832. I is equal to 2 pi plus pi by 32 minus 1/4 which is equal to 3 pi by 32 minus 1/4 3 pi by 32 minus 1/4 which is nothing but 3 pi minus 32 येण्यासाठी 8 upon 32 3 pi minus 8 by 32. Actually टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये आन्सर दिला आहे 3 pi by 16 ऍक्च्युली आन्सर आहे आपला 3 pi minus 8 by 32. त्याच्यामधलं आन्सर रॉंग आहे हे आन्सर करेक्ट आहे 3 pi minus 8 by 32. ओके नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल बघूयात जे की खूपच सिंपल आहे. क्लियर झालं हे sin raised to 4 ला sin स्क्वेअर चा स्क्वेअर करायचा. वी नो दॅट sin स्क्वेअर इज नथिंग बट 1 minus cos 2x by 2 आणि त्याच पद्धतीने त्याचा स्क्वेअर सॉल्व करायचा आणि त्याचा स्क्वेअर मध्ये परत cos स्क्वेअर 2x येतो त्याचाच 1 minus cos 4x upon 2 करायचा आणि परत त्याला सॉल्व करून इंटिग्रेट केलं की आन्सर येतं. सॉरी इंटिग्रेशन ओवर -4 to 2 -4 to 2 1 upon x square plus 4x plus 13 dx. वी नो दॅट दिस इज नथिंग बट ax स्क्वेअर प्लस bx प्लस c च्या फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्याला तो कन्वर्ट करायला गेला आहे -4 to 2 x स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 upon x स्क्वेअर प्लस 4x प्लस 4 होईल प्लस 9 होईल. वाय बिकॉज हाफ ऑफ 4 किती झाला 2 चा स्क्वेअर 4 झाला. थर्ड टर्म इज 4 प्लस 9 म्हणजे 13 आला. आय इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन आणि हे झालेलं आहे तुम्हाला पट एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करता येतात. म्हणजे हा x प्लस 2 चा स्क्वेअर झाला आणि प्लस हा 3 चा स्क्वेअर झाला. This is in the form of 1 upon x square plus a square. That means I is equal to tan inverse of 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a, that is x plus 2 by 3 over -4 to 2. आता 2 टाकायचं त्याच्यामध्ये 1 by 3 tan inverse of आतमध्ये राहू 1 by 3 कॉमन काढूया. tan inverse of 2 plus 2 4 by 3 minus tan inverse of -4 plus 2 -2 by 3 tan inverse of -x minus म्हणजे प्लस झाला. I is equal to 1 by 3 in bracket tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. This is your final answer. Tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. Why? Because tan inverse of minus theta is nothing but minus tan inverse of theta. That's why this will be the answer. आता मग 11 नंबर काय दिला बघा. Integration over 0 to 4 1 upon under 4x minus x square. Integration over 0 to 4. 11 0 to 4 1 upon square root of 4x minus x square dx. I is equal to integration of 0 to 4 1 upon taken out common minus x square minus 4x dx. Half of this I is equal to integration 0 to 4 1 upon square root of minus in bracket x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 4 dx. Therefore I is equal to integration of 0 to 4 1 upon square root of x minus 2 whole bracket square आला आणि minus 4 म्हणजे 2 चा स्क्वेअर होईल minus 2 स्क्वेअर dx. हा मायनस आतमध्ये लिहा बरोबर. काय होईल I is equal to integration of 0 to 4 1 upon square root of 4 square minus x minus 2 whole bracket square dx. And this is nothing but integration over 0 to 4 is like 0 to 4 is correct. तर हा I is equal to काय होईल 1 upon under root a square minus x square is nothing but sin inverse of x upon a. Sin inverse of x upon a येतो over 0 to 4. Now this will be sin inverse of 4 minus 2 by 4 4 minus 2 by 4 minus sin inverse of 0 minus 2 by 4 sin inverse of 2 by 4 minus sin inverse of minus 2 by 4 sin inverse of 1 by 2 minus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Something is going on wrong. This is nothing but 2 square. That means x upon a, that is 2. This is 2. This is 2. 2. 1. 2 minus 1. Sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Minus sin inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 2. This is pi by 2 plus pi by 2. This is equal to 90 plus 90, that is 180, that is pi. The final answer is pi here. Okay. Next 12 question. आपण 12 घेऊयात. आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता एक्स साइन एक्स, एक्स टॅन इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स, एक्स ई रेस टू मायनस एक्स. सेकंड क्वेश्चनमध्ये मला वाटतं जवळजवळ पुन्हा 15 एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत आणि शेवट थर्ड जो आहे त्याच्यामध्ये पुन्हा तेवढेच एक्झाम्पल्स, म्हणजे एवढे एक्झाम्पल्स आपल्याला पुन्हा पुढच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये सॉल्व्ह करायचे. त्यातले काही एक्झाम्पल्स मी महत्वाचे तेवढेच घेईन, बाकी तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. हिंट देईन मी. आता 12th नंबरचं एक्झाम्पल बघूया. सेम आहे, तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकताय, नो डाऊट. म्हणजे इथं सेकंड क्वेश्चन यातला कम्प्लीट होतं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेकंड क्वेश्चनला सुरुवात होणार. ठीक आहे. 13 आणि 13, 14, 15 सॉल्व्ह करायला येतील. त्यातलं तुम्ही ऑलरेडी कसले सॉल्व्ह केला, एक्स साइन एक्स वगैरे. एक्सक्यूज मी, सॉरी. इंटिग्रेशन ओव्हर 0 to 1 square root of 1 upon 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. 3 plus 2x minus x square. Now I is equal to integration of 0 to 1 upon minus common काढा, आतमध्ये घ्या, x square minus 2x minus 3 bracket complete dx. I is equal to integration of 0 to 1 upon याचा हाफ म्हणजे 1 येणार, म्हणजे x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus 3 as it is dx. Then this will be integration over 0 to 1 upon minus square root मध्ये square root मध्ये x minus 1 whole bracket square minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 dx. I is equal to integration over 0 to 1 upon square root of minus in bracket x minus 1 whole bracket square minus 2 square dx. I is equal to integration of 0 to 1 upon हा बाहेर आणि हा आत 2 square minus x minus 1 whole bracket square dx. आता a square minus x square च्या फॉर्म मध्ये अगेन साइन इनवर्स ऑफ I is equal to sin inverse of x upon a, x minus 1 upon 2, 0 to 1. I is equal to sin inverse of 1 minus 1 0 by 2 minus sin inverse of 0 minus 1 by 2. I is equal to sin inverse of 0 minus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. म्हणजेच काय झालं, sin inverse of 0 0 minus minus getting plus sin inverse of half, and this is nothing but half कोणाचा आहे, pi by 6 आहे, 30 आहे ना. I is equal to काय झाला, pi by 6. This is the final answer. Similarly, you can find out by x sin x and all. ठीक है. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.